Good morning and welcome to my little channel where I let you know about the cars that we have PPF'd and detailed and ceramic coated and protected and done all manner of things to. On this episode, article, video, I'm going to just tell you about this Golf R, which has come back again, which this time last year was the 30,000 mile Golf R and now is the 60,000 mile Golf R. So yes, the Golf R is back. This time last year it had 30,000 miles on it, and I think it's got about, no, it had like 35 on it. The customer is really annoyed actually, because he's, well, disappointed because he didn't quite manage to get it to 30,000 miles again this year because of lockdown. So it's been sat in its drive for 2 months, unfortunately. So he bought it with 5,000 miles on. We did basically an enhancement detail and put a really, really nice ceramic coating on it and did the wheels and all sorts of stuff. And then, yeah, my customer went and put a load of miles on it. Good man if you're watching this. So this time last year it had about 35,000 miles on it. And we just did our sort of ceramic coating top-up service that we do, which is designed to clean back to the sort of base layer of the coating, give the car a big clean, and then we renew the top coat of the coating. So we did that last year, and it's come back in again for it this year. So it's now got 60,000 miles on. This car is a 67 plate. For those of you who are not in Britain, what that means is, yeah, it's 3 years old. So 3-year-old car, 60,000 miles now, and it's looking pretty good. Obviously, it's got the odd chip and a couple of bits like that we can't fix, but you know, this car is just a great example of what regular maintenance is. You know, we say this with detailing a lot now, but you know, you mechanically maintain your car. It's important to cosmetically maintain your car in order to keep it easy to wash, keep it looking good, and keep it protected from all the elements and stuff. So this is a great example of that. Another little thing we've done on this job this time is just fit these wheels for this customer here. This still had, you know it's a well-used car, don't you, when there's a set of winters and a set of summer tyres for the car. So we've just refitted the summer tyres, but the customer bought some new wheels this year. So he delivered the car with new wheels and his summer tyres. We had the tyres fitted to the wheels, and we then fitted the wheels to the car and put the old winter, the original, what are the factory wheels with winter tyres on in the back, and then they'll get fitted again, about 6 months' time, I'd have thought. So yeah, nothing more to say really. I just wanted to give you an update on this car. It's kind of a little running car on the channel now, I suppose, isn't it? So hope you're enjoying all the other the other videos on the channel. Hello to new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, I have to ask, I'm afraid, if you could subscribe, that would be brilliant. Helps a little channel like me and a little business like mine get the word out, and really just helps support a local small business. So thank you for all of you who are doing that and liking it and clicking the thumbs up and all that sort of stuff. Really, really appreciate it. So yeah, towards the end of sort of lockdown and stuff now, I think, so hopefully the world is going to get back to normal for you guys and for us a bit more. Yeah, and here we go. I might give you a little bit of a walk around of this car, but other than that, have a great weekend or a great day, whatever day it is when you're watching this. Cheers.